Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today we are going to be doing a 3 looks, 1 palette video with the Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe palette, volume 1. We're going to do a bunch of different looks. I'm super excited to post this video for you guys. I do hope that you enjoyed the looks I created. If you want to see how I got this look, plus 2 more, then continue watching. Oh yeah, we're getting ready to do a look number 1. The first shade that we are going to go into is Cocoa Taxi, and I'm going to use a big fluffy brush to work that into my crease. A fluffy brush is key. You gotta blend it, blend it, blend it, and blend it, and get it just the way you want it. Then we're going to go into Tropico. Okay, I need to stop saying it that way. It just doesn't sound right coming from me. So I'm going to stop that. Then I'm going to take a NYX glitter glue, and I'm just going to kind of do like a half cut crease on my eye with this. I should have gone a little further in my opinion after seeing what this look turned out like, but you know, you live, you learn, you adjust, things happen. You make bad choices with makeup sometimes. We're going to go in with Varadero. Yeah, we're just going to say things like the white person I am. Because I try. If I say any of these like super wrong, please just let me know. Then we're going to go into Celia. I'm always up for learning how to actually say something. Then I'm going to go back into Cocoa Taxi and just kind of blend everything together. Then I'm going to go into Tropico and kind of blend the edges together so that it's not just like a harsh line there. It's hard to blend an orange and a blue together. I didn't think that through. Now I'm going in with the Covergirl liquid eyeliner. You guys, I'm just trying to use this up. I would never repurchase this in my life. It dries and I swear it feels like it's like squeezing my eyelid. It's so weird. I just thought I'd let you guys know that. But here I am struggling to do a winged eyeliner because it's been a struggle lately. Winged eyeliner is so hard to do. If you guys have a hard time with your winged eyeliner, now is the time to hit that like button. And yeah, now we're going in with the Maybelline Colossal Volume Lash Mascara. Oh yeah, make those lashes colossal. Then I'm going to actually put on some false lashes for this look. Now, I'm not a person who wears false lashes all the time in my looks. I don't necessarily think that they complete a look. I'm more of a eyeliner completes my look because that's how I feel complete with my makeup. So I don't feel obligated to do lashes. Now I'm going in with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Perversion. You guys know how I feel about this. I'm not the biggest fan. It's not that impressive. It's a black eyeliner. I don't know. I'm just not impressed. Then I'm going to go back in with Tropico. I don't know if it's worse that I say it like that or worse that I say it the other way. Let me know in the comments down below. I'm using the shade La Costa, and we're going to use this as an all over highlight because, oh my gosh, it is just so pretty all over the face. You guys, if you have this palette, use this as a highlighter. Now I'm going in with my Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche Liquified Lipstick in Whip. This one is one of my favorites. Well, there you are. There is look number 1. As always, let me know what you think of the looks down below in the comments. I mean, I'm feeling myself, even though I think the look looks strange. But that's just me. Now it's look number 2, and apparently all I own are black shirts, which is basically true. We're going to go back into Tropico. You guys are going to see that I use this shade a lot. I really did like this orange shade. A little too much. I'm using a Wet n Wild fluffy crease brush to kind of set this down as my transition. I'm going to go in with Cafecito, and I tend to use this one just on the outer edge of my eyes. I think it works really well. I'm using it kind of with an angled fluffy brush, if that makes any sense. I hope that does. And I'm just kind of like stamping it all on, and then I'm going to go back in with that big, huge, giant, fluffy brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to blend everything together because I don't want there to be like this super harsh line. Now I'm going to go in with El Melicone, and I'm putting this on my finger. I kind of learned that these just work better with your finger, and they look more blended with your finger. I mean, look at that shade. It is just so pretty. Now I'm going in with my Pretty Vulgar The Ink Blacklist Gel Eyeliner. Oh, I love gel eyeliner, people. It's just a beautiful thing. Especially this gel eyeliner. Like, this one has really won me over and made me want to try more things from Pretty Vulgar. That and the blush. Like, oh, yes. I'm just in love. I'm allowed to be in love, right? I hope so. I hope you guys are okay with me being loved. Now we're going to go with the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. Really get those lashes, Danielle. Then again, we're going in with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil. Apparently I really love these looks. I don't know. It's probably just sitting on my table and I was like, oh, black eyeliner. It works. It stays in my waterline. But then we're going back in with Tropico and we're putting that on the lower lash line. Ooh. And then I'm going in with the Girlactik Lip Paint in Posh. I don't know. I like these shades. I have a lot of these shades. BoxyCharm likes to send me this like exact shade from other brands. I feel like they're the exact same shade. They're so close. That's just, I guess, my personal opinion on that. By the way, look number 2 is my absolute favorite look that I created with this palette. Again, let me know which one's your favorite. I feel really pretty with it. I don't know. It's elegant. And it gives me fall vibes, and I really want it to be fall. Now, look at her. Look at little Peaches. Ah, I love that dog. Now we're going back into the same palette for look number 3. And we're going to start with Cocoa Taxi. I mean, I know I could have started with other shades, but I feel like it just kind of worked. And then we're going in with Tropico. I know, it looks like the same look. I know, but it's not going to be, I promise. Just keep watching. Just keep watching. It won't be. Now we're going in with Guantanamera. I know that song, you guys. And I'm again using an angle brush. This one is from Vintage Cosmetics, and I'm just kind of blending everything together. I really want that red shade on my outer edge and just kind of blend it all together. I didn't want it to be super intense. And then we're going to go in with Varadero. And on my finger, the shade works so much better than in that first look when I used a brush. I don't know, it worked so much better. And just so you know, I make a mess here, and I didn't leave in when I cleaned it up because I didn't think you guys wanted to watch me clean up my boo-boo. So I'm going in with that same Wander Beauty Unlashed Mascara. And then I'm going to take Tropico and Guantanamera, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. Then I'm going in with El Melicone, and I'm putting that in my inner corner and on my brow bone. Then I'm going in with the Colourpop Ultra Satin Liquid Lipstick in Stud. I love this shade. I forgot I had this, and when I saw it, I was like, oh, it'll go so well with this look. But again, I'm feeling fall vibes, you guys. I want it to be fall in Arizona so bad, but it is so hot here right now. Let me know what you think of these looks. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope that you enjoyed all of the looks I created. As always, which one is your favorite? Have you created any looks with this palette? If you have and you have a YouTube channel or an Instagram, let me know. I would love to see it. I would love it. So just let me know down below if you do. As always, please let me know which look you enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. Thanks again, and bye!